Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Mailivery, a tool that helps your email to land in your prospects' primary inboxes to boost response rates and increase. This is an email warm-up tool. The idea here is to warm your emails so your emails will not be in the spam box of your clients, of your leads, of your prospect. If you receive less emails than you send, and you send a lot of mails, for instance, using cold email outreach, you may start to lose points on your email deliverability. And then you can just to see your emails landing in the spam box. And if that happens, you will lose your leads, your potential to interact with more people and to reach your goals. So that's why you need an email to warm your email to increase your email reputation. It's an alternative to Lemlist, and let's check out the plans of Mailivery. They have license 1, 2, and 3. And the difference here will be the number of emails and also the maximum number of interactions per day. And there is also a difference between response rate on your Mailivery emails because Mailivery will interact with you. So you're going to receive emails and you will reply to those emails, and they will, initiate a conversation in a way that this will picture that there is a real conversation is going on. So your email will raise their reputation for good. So there's a whole interaction between Mailivery and you to let's see the tool. You can see here that the dashboard is pretty simple and pretty easy to understand. There's only one button here, and then you click here to connect your account. And then you can connect with Google or use another account adding Smtp and Imap. In our case, we're going to add a Google account. We're going to authorize Mailivery. You're going to add your first name and last name. Then you check if those configurations are on. If you did turn on your two-step verification on your email and your Imap also. Then you're going to create another password only for Mailivery. You're going to do that on your Gmail account. It's pretty simple. You're going to click here, and they are sitting you here. You're going to click directly on other, and then we'll write the Mailivery name, and you receive from Google a password that you type here and click on connect account. So here it's done. So that is the tool. Everything works automatically. I can't see the analytics because I would need to upgrade to see it. And I just connected my email, so it will not have like anything substantially here. But here on Mailivery, you can see the analytics of if your cold emails are landing on the inbox or spam, where your replies are landing, your reports of the last 14 days, your global reports, current week. So they will tell you if your emails are landing on the inbox or in the spam. If they are not going to the inbox, you are losing leads. And what they are going to do, they will send emails to you here, 10 Mailivery emails per day in 15% reply rate. So they will reply you 15% of the times. And then you're going to reply those emails, and they will send the email reply to you. And then you will start a whole conversation, and those procedures will make you receive more and more emails. And then your email domain will not be pictured as a domain that only send emails, so that are spamming and they are not receiving anything back. So that's why you need to warm your emails. That's Mailivery. If you need an email tool to warm up your emails, that could be your choice. If you would like to know more about Mailivery, just click on the link below and help me to keep going. Bye-bye.